Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I am back again with another Random Monday video. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be unboxing the lovely Apple Watch. You can't even see the logo because it's, you know, everything's white and this light just makes everything brighter. But yeah, so I actually have it here. I just got it, so I'm super excited. I've been like waiting for this for ages. I have the gold aluminium case and the pink sand sport band. I actually got mine through Vitality health insurance, so yeah, I got it a little bit cheaper, and I got an incentive to be more active, which is super cool. Yeah, I kind of just want to rip into it, I'm not gonna lie to you. This probably won't be a long video because I'm gonna be too excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh. How does one open this? What's this at the bottom? Is that how you open it? Oh, it is. So there's like little flaps at the bottom. I'm so used to like how an iPhone case box opens. Not case. Oh my goodness. This is so confusing. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I love that. So I guess we have the watch here. And then we have the strap, I guess. I kind of just want to open the strap first, because why not? Because I've got it here. So yeah, there's a little bit of like paperwork in with the strap, but we don't care about the paperwork. We're here for the actual, oh god, strap itself. So it gives you some instructions, which is awesome. Then we have it here, and it comes with different sizing as well of the strap, which is quite nice. You've got, you know, your medium to large and your small to medium, which is, again, you know, like I say, really nice. This is obviously like a universal piece, which just goes with all of them. I don't really have big wrists, so I'm gonna see what one is gonna be the one that's gonna work best for me. But we'll come back to that piece when we actually unveil the watch. It's slowly opening already. Da-dun, da-dun. Oh. So this is the watch. It's so small. It's literally tiny, but I thought I'd go with like the smaller one. Because again, having smaller wrists, I just thought it made a bit of sense. Because I didn't want to get a huge one and then it looks too big. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep this just in case, because it might come in handy to have, you know, that. So yeah, this is the watch face. It's just, you know, a black screen. And then you obviously have the sensors and stuff at the bottom here that you can see there. So that is the bit that goes against your skin and will detect things like heart rate, whatever else. So it's all just in there. Also with it, we have, like in the iPhone, it's got all of the, you know, the instructions and stuff like that, which I'm definitely gonna need. So it tells you to, you know, open the band box, follow the steps and attach the band to the watch. Get started by putting it on, put on your Apple Watch and press and hold the side button to turn it on. Install the latest version of iOS on your phone and then open the Apple Watch app to pair your devices. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know if I've got the latest version of iOS, but hey ho. So it gives you a couple of little pointers as well at the back here about the watch face, about the crown, the side buttons, and just on charging as well. So of course that also means we have the charger. So we have our wire, which has, you know, the circular piece here, which just goes onto the bottom of the face. And then we also, oh gosh, have this, which is the plug, which actually pings out. Whoa, that is like spring loaded, which is cool. So you can totally, it's like really good for traveling actually. I assume that a normal charger will work, like the plug will work with this as well, which is super cool. It's great for traveling because it's just like flat and sorry, I'm going to be playing with that for probably the rest of the day. So yeah, I think we should just get these out and sit here and work out exactly what we need to do. So, what does it say? So it says to attach the band, slide in until you hear a click. That's vague but simplistic, I guess. So we're just gonna slide it in, I guess. Hopefully I'm doing this completely right. I don't hear no clicking. I don't hear no clicking. Unless I'm like doing this completely wrong. But I didn't, oh fuck. Oh, I'm pressing the buttons. Didn't hear any click. And I have accidentally just turned it on, whoops. Okay, so weirdly, I cannot hear a click. If I can, unless I have put it on the wrong way. I totally have put it on the wrong way. That's why it isn't clicking. Shh, we're not going to talk about that. Oops, I keep pressing the buttons. The poor thing's probably getting really confused. So now let's try it and see. There's the click. Oh god, I'm so stupid. So then it just says about adjusting the band, so you pop it in like that. No, not like that. You have to like fold it. Oh god, this is confusing. So hold this side down with the like popper thing, and then pop one on. And then you just like feed the other one in. Ooh. You just saw my skin move then. And you want it to be, not, I wouldn't say too tight, but you want it tight enough. So there it is, it's on my wrist now. You can see I've gone like to near the end of this kind of band, so I probably could get away with using the small to medium one. Like I say, my wrists are like tiny, so it looks really bulky on me. It feels weird having it. But I'm gonna bring my iPhone over just in case. So what was the next step it said actually? So install the latest version of So maybe I need to open the Apple Watch app. I'm gonna do that. I've got my phone here. It's really hot in here. Okay. Start pairing. Hold the watch face. iPhone out of date. Of course my iPhone is out of date. How typical. So I'm gonna have to update it. So I may need to come back later and finish this because this update is gonna probably take a really long time. It's very weird to like get used to having that on. But yeah, so I'm gonna just like update my phone really quickly. And then I'm gonna come back and finish all of this off. Okay, so I've updated my phone now, so I've got it all ready. I wasn't sure how long that was actually going to take. I was super nervous because I was like, I don't want to like film on another day. Obviously, you know, I am wearing different like clothes. I just took my jumper off because I was really hot. But enough of that, let's actually get back into this. I'm just going to make sure it's turned on. It's just turning on, and I'm gonna start pairing with my iPhone just so that it makes it a little bit easier. I'm hoping this will help as well because I've got my my AirPods, which are great and all, but it means I have to keep, you know, pulling my phone out to change things like the volume, which can be really annoying. Okay, so it's on now. I'm gonna start, I'm gonna start pairing, so you can see it's trying to scan, and the the iWatch has changed. So I'm just gonna scan those quickly, and that has done it. And it is paired, which is awesome. So now start. Oh, it's set up Apple Watch. So it's just doing it. Connecting to your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. So it's just setting up the language. I guess it does it all, just takes anything that you've got on your phone. Okay, terms and conditions, we just want to agree. So you just have to put in your Apple ID, which I've just done. Oh, so it's still going. Takes a few minutes for everything. I'm just super excited. I'm like, I want to just use it. I want it to go, 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 go. Okay, so that's sunk on. So it just says about route tracking, which I'm actually going to enable just because I think things like workouts are quite good to track on this. Shared settings, blah, 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 blah. That's fine. I can give it a passcode. Do I really need one? I'll get one. I'm gonna do a passcode just because why not? So, set up activity, what is this? Blah, 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 blah. Okay. I hope that's all the right details. I'm gonna set it up like that, but hopefully. A daily calorific move goal. Ooh. I'm gonna like put moderate, but I'm gonna like tone it down to like 600 calories. Maybe less. 550 just to start, because I have no idea what to expect from this. Because I do move quite a fair amount. So it's just saying about some notifications about the heart health, Apple Pay. I guess I can do that later because, yeah, I don't really need a huge amount. Emergency SOS, you can press and hold the side button to call the emergency services. Fourth, install the available apps. Sure, why not? Okay, so it's just installing all available apps right now. Apple Music and privacy, blah blah blah, if you subscribe. We also use your music reach play and personal experience, yeah, sure. Okay, this may take a little while. It is like a bit of a process, but like any new Apple product, you do have to go through some stuff to really set it up. But hey ho, that is what life is at the end of the day. You'll get an alert when it's finished syncing, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. So I guess this is the last kind of step, I assume. I hope. I just want to use it and see what it's like. Okay, so it looks like it's done now. So it just sits there in the app, which is fair enough. So on the actual watch it says, your watch is ready, press the digital crown to start. So I'm going to do that. Ooh. I don't know if you heard that. Look at it, it's so pretty. No event today. So you can like open up your little circles. And you can use the wheel as well, rather than like swiping and touching. So how does one change? Got timers. Okay, so you can swipe across and you can see all these different like watch faces, which is cool. And then you've even got like music settings on there, which is nice. So, like some of them have these different like settings and stuff. Others are just like normal watches. Some show you like the ring information, which you can kind of see there. And yeah, it just has like all this different walkie-talkie available. I forgot there's a walkie-talkie app. Yeah, this is really cool. I'm really liking this. It's definitely gonna take some time of getting used to and stuff, but like there are a lot of different apps. As you can probably see, like you can just go through all of them. Girl, even Pokemon Go is on here. How mental is that? This is definitely going to take a lot of like playing around with, but overall, honestly, it fits gorgeously. And like I said, this is the smaller version. So if you have larger wrists, you know, maybe the bigger version will be good. But for my wrists, I think it looks kind of nice. So, yeah. Right, I'm not gonna take away from your time any longer, but overall, I definitely would recommend this. Check out Vitality for health insurance. Luckily for myself, my work paid for my health insurance, so I don't actually have to worry about it, but it might be something that is worth looking into for yourselves. Definitely worth a check out. So yeah, I will leave the link for this particular model and style, I guess, and yes, that'll be down below, along with the link to Vitality, so you can check out that and possibly get yourself one of these bad boys for a discount. But anyways, I'm going to leave it here for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see each and every one of you in the next video. Peace out, bitches.